Hey, what's going on out there in bike land? Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to touch base with everybody here real quick. Yeah, so I've seen some different videos now, and people are really interested in the lights for doing some night riding or early morning commuting. We haven't done a 200 subscriber giveaway, so I have 2 units here, LED lights that are roughly 2500 lumens, and I believe I have a couple of 12 volt sending units as well. So if you leave your name in the comment section, please do give us a thumbs up too, and subscribe if you haven't. But put your name in there and we'll do a drawing, and I will contact the winners and we'll mail those out to the people that need them. So yeah, just also I don't know if I'm coming off like I'm some kind of a jerk or whatever with my videos because of this problem that I was having with this kid, but I ended up taking it down. It's not that YouTube has or anything. I'm trying to do the right thing, and it's not doing anything to help anybody, and if anybody sees his name, it's just going to promote him further. Bad business is still business, so I don't want to even give him that much credit. But appreciate you guys being patient with me, and yeah, I'm trying to help everyone out there, best I can. I got a couple of you guys that are some Christian brothers sent me some emails, and was a verse in there I read. I believe it was Philippians 2:3. So if you take the time to look that up, that's why I kind of had made my decision. It's not that I'm going soft in my old age, or I even really beyond that. Just anyhow, heading out to work here. I don't know, 4 or 5 in the morning, whatever time it is. But yeah, hope to see you guys all soon. But please do leave some comments in the videos. I do really appreciate hearing from you guys, so I know who's watching. Means a lot to me, because even if you don't get anything out of the video, just so I know that hey, I was there to check it out. And anyway, we'll talk soon. Until then, be well, harm none, and Godspeed.